Hello YouTube, today I am super excited. I got my Elgato. Here you got the Elgato. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that thing. So sexy. And small. Holy crap. It fits in my hand. That's how small it is. Unless my hand's just extremely small. Alright, so here it looks like we got the AVN for component usage. And here we got the HDMI. Component converters if you're going to use PS3. And the USB cable. Now all I need is... God dang it. Diggity dang. Alright, so I'm guessing you just plug this in, and then you plug this into your computer. Okay. I'm going to need another HDMI cable. God dang it. Tick tock, tick tock. Oh, there we go. I was doing it the wrong way. And I can already tell this thing is a dust magnet, because I already got dust on it. If only that's how the world worked.